Oh my God, look at the power level it has. It is grounded, totally grounded. The brakes are doing this. It's so light and nimble, you can just maneuver around. I'll just show it to you. There we go. There we go. Oh my God, look at the power. In any gear, you just have to push the throttle and just push it. So how are you guys? Hope you're doing absolutely fine. Today we have Triumph C Triple RS with us. The 765 liquid cooled 3-cylinder double over camshaft beast. It has 121 brake horsepower. And let's see how it does. Oh my God, look at the power level it has. It is grounded, totally grounded. The brakes are doing their job. Beautiful tire construction is absolutely fine, mind-boggling. Beautifully done. The exhaust is 3-in-1. It's got a 310mm floating Brembo M54 piston radial monoblock caliper at the front. At the rear it has a single 220mm disc Brembo single piston caliper, switchable ABS. That's exceptional. Front suspension Showa 41mm, adjustable compression damping rebound as well as preload. Rear Öhlins STX40, fully adjustable. The tires we have in the front is 120 by 70 R17 and back at 180 by 55 R17. The fuel tank capacity which we have in this vehicle is about 17.4 liters. Exceptional power. Mind-boggling power. It's an experience to have. Such a light bike of 168 kg dry. Exceptional. We get a warranty of 4 years in this. It's a 1-year service interval or 16,000 kilometers. Oh my God, look at the power. In any gear you just have to push it and it goes like anything. Amazing bike. The front seating position is also amazing. You're not too much far ahead. Your seating position is almost upright, so you won't get tired that easily. All thanks to beautiful suspension setup. The brakes are exceptional. It is so light and nimble, you can just maneuver around. I'll just show it to you. There we go. Oh my God, look at the power. In any gear, you just have to push the throttle and it just pushes ahead. And the brakes do their job absolutely fantastic. Mind-boggling. This is what we call the true powerhouse. The pocket rocket that we have called. The pocket rocket has 5 riding modes: rain, road, sport, track and rider. In rider mode, what you do is you have got the complete control in your hand. You can adjust the traction, the ABS and lots of other stuff. Another new feature in this is you can get heated goods installed in this along with tail tidy, and also tire pressure monitoring system also is an optional accessory along with these two, along with other accessories of like scrolling LED indicator lights front and back. That's another accessory that you can add on to this bike. That's exceptional. Really difficult to talk when you're enjoying so much in this bike. Still trying and telling you as much as I can while I'm riding. The more you rev, the happier this bike is. Everything else is totally fascinating, and I'll let you know after a certain amount of time. Just give me a minute. Okay guys, so another thing which I wanted to tell you was the auto cancelling indicator. What it does is the indicator automatically shuts off when you turn and go back to normal position within 5 to 10 seconds. If you don't put it off, it automatically shuts that off. Now let's see the performance of the vehicle. So guys, just going to do a short dash after the crossing. So beware, it's a pocket rocket, and where we go, we're going pushing it to the limit, pushing it. Oh, that's fine. Brilliant. Look at, we have touched approximately about 160 kilometers per hour in just a millisecond. Now guys could gather the time it took me to realize that we've touched 150 kilometers, 160 kilometers per hour. So this bike is absolutely worth the penny that you're going to spend. You are going to totally enjoy it. It's got traction control, electronic brake force distribution, and whatever you can think of it has. This bike has got everything. So what I would suggest you guys do is take a test drive, and if you like it, if you like power, the weight, it is amazing. Just have to twist the throttle in any gear, it just pushes off. From 30 third gear to 160 in third gear. From 40 to fourth gear, 35-40 kilometers per hour from fourth gear to 180 in fourth gear. So you just don't have to think about the gears anymore. It's the kind of an automatic vehicle that you have in your hand. So that's the plus point of having such a beast. 12,000, 13,000 is the, I think, maximum RPM that you can go, and that is an absolutely amazing bike. So I'm gonna just push off now. I'm gonna slow down. I think there's some movement in the VIP movement. The vehicles are going ahead on the left hand side of me. Let's just wait for them to go. Always wait for the red light. If the light is not working, guys, then you can take a U-turn if it is clear. Always be careful while turning, guys. As the bikers, you always know you have to be extra careful. Alright, guys. So I'm just gonna stop. Oh, that was just a exhilaration rush, man. Adrenaline rush. Totally adrenaline rush. This bike will give you whatever you want. If you want to go slow, it'll do that. If you want to go fast, you can do that. 6,000 RPM. Oh man, this is a beast. Alright, guys. Just pushing the vehicle off now. Alright, guys. Let's listen to the sound. This is 4,000 RPM. Now it is 8,000 RPM. Now it is 12,000 RPM. 8,000. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Keep riding and stay safe and keep learning. Until next time, SUV Turbo signing off.